Okay, the first F2L case I want to show you today is this F2L pair. So this F2L case, it has the pair already paired and it's upside down in the opposite slot. So as you can see, the slot for it is over here at the back and we've got this slot here. So I'll show you how to do it from the right and from the left, but let's start off by I'll start off by showing you how to do it from the right. So to do it from the right, how you might currently do it might be something along the lines of like taking it out and then inserting it in with a rotation, but that's actually not the best way to do this pair. So the best way to do this pair goes like this: R prime, F, U prime, and then F prime push with your index finger here, and R. And just like that, the pair is in the slot. So fast, it will look like this. And now I'll show you how to do it from the left. So from the left, it's slightly more awkward, and unless you're good with lefty moves, this may not be so ideal for you, but this is how it goes. So L, F prime, U, F, L prime, and just like that. So I'll do my best to try, but I may mess up because I'm not that great with lefty moves. The next F2L pair I want to show, it looks a little bit similar to the last one. So again, we've got it over the opposite slot, so it belongs over here. But this time, the colors don't match up on both of them. So the algorithm for this goes like this: U2, R2, white U prime, R2, a white U, and R2. And just like that, that goes into the slot at the back there. And done somewhat fast, that will look like this. And of course, you can do this case from the left as well. So how would that will work would look like this: U2, L2, white U, L2, and then a sort of white U prime, and then L2. And that just solves that into the back there. How you probably solve this F2L case now varies. Probably varies. So you've got the corner here with the white facing up, and you've got the edge here, and the green does not match the center. So in a way, it's sort of flipped. So if you've just started learning intuitive F2L, what you might do might be that you might just take the edge out, and then you would solve that pair, which is perfectly fine. Or if you've been doing intuitive F2L for a while, you might know that you can put the corner over the edge and then do double sexy, and that pairs that up. So that's also perfectly fine, but that also involves a rotation. So there is a better way to solve this. So it goes like this: R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U2, F prime. Just like that. Alright, this next case, so we've got the corner solved and we've got the edge here, and using the colors, so we can see that green, the front color, does not match any centers on the side, so it doesn't match this center and it doesn't match this color, so we know that this edge is not oriented. So because we know that it's not oriented, we know that we're gonna have to use either F moves to solve it, or white R moves, etc., or we're gonna have to rotate. So I'm not sure how you would solve this case exactly right now because there are a lot of variants, but what is pretty much one of the best ways to solve this case rotationlessly goes like this: U, R, U prime, R prime, and then it's just a hedge. So a hedge goes like this: F, R prime, F prime, R. This case looks a little bit similar to the last one. So again, the corner is solved in the slot, but this time the edge is oriented, as we can see, because the side color of the edge actually matches a side center. So we can see that orange matches orange. So you can use only R and U moves to solve this, but personally I prefer using a slight variation that has F moves instead. So this is how it goes, and it's pretty fast. So I'll show it. R prime, F prime, R, U prime, R prime, F. Okay, for this next case, we've got both of the pieces in the slot, and the edge is flipped, and the corner has the white on the front. So we're facing green, and this case is probably one of the worst, but there is a pretty good solution for it. So it goes like this: white R, U prime, white R prime, U2, white R, U, white R prime, then just insert. So R, U, R prime. And of course, you can do it from the left as well. So that will go like this: R prime, F, R, U2, R prime, F prime, R, L, U prime, L. What I just showed you was what you could do if you were facing orange. But what if you were facing green and didn't want to rotate to face orange? There's also a pretty great solution to this. So it goes like this: R, U prime, R prime, then white R, U prime, white R prime, U2, white R, U, white R prime. Alright, now for our last F2L case. So this has got to be one of the worst, if not the very worst F2L case of all. So the corner is solved and the edge is in the slot flipped. If only it was the other way around, then it would be solved. So the solution for it, that is rotationless, goes like this. So if you're facing orange, R, U prime, R prime, then you've also got to grip the top layer like this here and get your thumb ready here, and then it's just a wide D, just like that. So you're gonna do it wide D, and that basically puts the slot in the back, and then it's just R prime, U2, R, U, R prime, U2, R. And that's all. Thanks for watching, and leave any comments down below.